my name is Varinder and I'm here to conduct a pre-R speaking of candidate number 110665. Are you ready to start?
Yes, sir.
What is your full name?
My name is Harshdeep Singh.
How may I call you?
You may call me by my first name, Harsh.
Harsh, what do you like to do in your free time?
Well, I usually like to play video games or I love to listen some music to relax my mind in my leisure time.
What kind of music do you listen?
Actually, I am a type of person for which relationships are very matter. So I prefer to listen some romantic music which suits my personality.
Okay. What is your strength and weakness?
Actually, my strength is my family and my weakness is to be alone. I cannot survive well when I am alone, so I need a companion with myself whom I share my feelings.
Are you doing something to improve your weakness?
Yes, I usually like to spend my leisure time in park to sit alone and relax my mind by seeing nearby activities and focus on my career goals.
Okay. How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually spend my weekends with my friends. I go for watching movies which were quite popular on weekends and we really enjoyed those precious moments and we capture each moment in our photos so that we make good memories.
Which is your favorite part of weekend?
My favorite part of weekend is on Saturday night. We enjoyed really much on Saturday night as we love to dance on a DJ system, so we prefer to use to a place which has good sound system such as clubs.
Do you think your weekends are long enough?
No, my weekends are not enough long because my family do not allow me to spend more time at weekend. So I usually go to my home at 11 or 12 o'clock.
How important do you think it is to have free time on the weekends?
Well, it is very important for a person to have free time at the weekend because a person feels stress from his daily activities and he needs some relaxation time to calm his mind and add more positive vibes to his body.
Do you think these days weekends become very popular among the youngsters?
Yes, of course, these days weekend play a significant role on the youngsters as most of the youngsters like to visit some places on weekends where they explore different activities and perform various activities which they do not try before.
What you were doing last weekend?
In last weekend, in my weekend I usually go to temple to worship God. On my last weekend, I go for watching movie which name is Puada, and I really enjoyed that movie.
Should employees need to work on the weekends?
No, in my opinion, employees do not work on weekends because employees have also their families and to give some time to their families and they also have a life for which they have enjoy some moments in their life.
Okay, let's talk about keeping in contact with your friends or with people. How do you usually contact people or your friends?
Actually, I contact people through calls or sometimes I prefer to contact them by text messages on my phone.
Do you prefer to contact different people in a different ways?
Yes, of course, I like to contact different people at different ways because I like I want to get to know about the personality of each individuals and the person with whom I feel comfortable. Then I love it to contact him by call.
Do you find it easy to keep contact with your friends and family?
No, it is not as much as easy as because we have to give more time to our family and friends and we be in their contact regularly so that we make a good relationship with them.
Okay. Okay, this is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your cue card round.
Okay, sir.
I will give you one topic and 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak.
Okay.
If you want to make notes, then you can use the notepad.
Okay, sir.
Your topic is number 30. Okay, start.
There are a lot of goals which an individual try to achieve in his career. Today I would like to talk about my goal which I really want to be successful in life. I really wanted to become a cricketer and I hope that one day I will play for Team India in my future. As I have certain role models in cricket and I watch cricket since my childhood and it really attracted me as cricket teaches some very good moral values as well as physical activities. It helps us to make our body fit and also strengthen our mind. Moreover, I would achieve this goal by practicing more and by doing hard work so that I do not face much difficulties in any situation and I easily tackle all the problems which came in my way and I really want to proud my family by playing for our nation and by after that I really want to get popular by my name through my team's jersey. I really wish that one day I play for my team.
Sufficient. Okay, this is the end of section 2. Now we move to the section 3, which will be your follow-up round.
Okay.
I will put you some more questions related to the goals or which you want to achieve in your future. Do you think people should talk to others about their goals?
Yes, of course, people should talk to others about their goals because it helps them in easily achieving their goals as some people guide us in a very positive way which is beneficial for us to have good future in.
What is more rewarding, working towards the goal or achieving it?
Well, working towards the goal is more rewarding because our strength does not make any sense as we use our mind positively and we have some positive vibes to use our mind and make a clear mindset to achieve this goal.
Do you think it is important to have a realistic goals?
Yes, of course, it is important to have realistic goals because we have all admire from such a person who is very popular and he is has very good more personality in the society. So that's why we have good.
How important is it for people to set goals?
Well, it is very difficult for people to set goals as everyone has different opinion and perspective and its choices are different from others. So he choose a goal which suits him and by his profession he wanted to get a job which make him feel more comfortable.
Do people set different goals at different stage of life?
Usually people set different goals at different stages of life to check their ability and their performance, how they were doing in their realistic life. So they try to achieve different goals in different stages of life.
What sort of goals do young people today set?
Well, young people mostly prefer to be popular on social media, so they try to get more fame and more popularity by creating some video stuff on various social media sites.
Is it always necessary to have something to aspire to in the future?
Yes, of course, it is always necessary for masses to inspire from someone because he has think about his ideal person so that he motivate from them and always try to follow the path of his by doing his routine work or following his regular activities.
Okay, Harshdeep, this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day.
Thank you, sir.